Hey, my name is Hagen Stovall with Tiffin Motorhomes. Today we're excited to announce our new customer rebate of $5,000 on new and untitled Midases. This program will run through March the 1st and end May the 1st. A few reasons that you may want to consider this program. We're going to touch base on our full body paint. This is just like the Wayfarer. There are no decals. This is full body paint throughout the coach, as well as our one-piece front cap, one-piece fiberglass roof, and our one-piece rear cap. We'll step inside. So there's a lot of cool features on the inside of this Midas. A lot of these transfer over from the Wayfarer. There are hardwood cabinets throughout. This is a maple cabinet. This is going to be throughout your coach. One good thing about the Midas floor plan with this Murphy bed and the slide, you do not have to slide the slide out to put down the bed to actually sleep in it. So if you want to pull over somewhere, take a nap, you don't have to worry about sliding your slide out all the way out. It's quick and easy. Another really cool feature on this is the televator right in front of the Murphy bed. So if you're relaxing at a campsite, got your slide out and your Murphy bed down, lean back, watch some TV on this big TV on the televator. Very easy to use, very easy to pull up and pull out. Another great feature that we offer in the Midas, just like the Wayfarer, solid surface countertops. This is throughout the coach. There is no laminate, no compressed wood in this unit at all. One other really great feature, a large one-piece fiberglass shower. This is standard on all Midases. There's no upcharge, and this does come with a shower miser also, which is standard. So again, this program is going to run from March the 1st through May the 1st. Make sure you take advantage of this program, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Tiffin. Thank you.